Hey guys, are you wanting to buy best wireless routers? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 7 best Wi-Fi routers are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 1. Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro. It creates a powerful mesh network perfect for larger homes. The updated Nest Wi-Fi Pro is an excellent example of a mesh network router where multiple nodes link together to form a wireless network with bigger, better coverage. The router alone covers 2,200 square feet, but you can bundle it with either 1 or 2 points to cover up to 5,400 square feet. It's ideal for large spaces or homes that struggle with heavy interference and dead zones. The 2022 update to Nest routers added many welcome features, notably Wi-Fi 6E support and support for the new Matter's smart home protocol to make it even easier to set up the routers and monitor them from your phone. It also supports automatic band switching to move devices around to the best channels. The router unit includes 2 Ethernet ports tucked away in a compartment on the bottom, one for the modem and one for other wired devices like a switch or desktop. One router can reach up to 2,200 square feet, and 2 routers can double that. We highly recommend this product if you have the money for it. It is so helpful and makes life so much easier. At number 2. Asus RT-AX86U, best router for mobile gaming. If you and your family love playing games on phones or tablets, this compact router is designed to keep up. In addition to Wi-Fi 6, it includes a mobile gaming mode designed to cut down on lag and latency when multiple people are gaming on their mobile devices. It also works with Asus's AIMS technology that can create a mesh network with other devices, along with other security and parental control software built in. The router's aggregated 2 gigabits per second speeds are sufficient for all kinds of online activities, and the encryption offers the latest password protection available. If you have an Ethernet connection for a particular console or computer, the router includes a gaming port that will prioritize any device connected to it, making sure that your internet connection won't let you down in a busy household. Also, if you use NVIDIA cards, the router is Force Now recommended, which means it has NVIDIA's stamp of approval for now cloud gaming. I think that the router is a great choice for gaming. My friends have been using it and everyone has been happy with it. The reviews on Amazon are good, so I think you can trust the product. At number 3. TP-Link Archer A7, the best budget wireless router. Few routers can compete with the TP-Link Archer A7 at this price. Anyone wanting to expand their network on a budget, looking for a budget router, this affordable model has everything you need without breaking the bank. It's a perfect fit for a home that doesn't need a ton of speed or extra wide coverage, but would still like to benefit from quality of life features. This A1750 router offers dual band performance that can support 4 Kelvin streaming and more than 50 devices, plus 4 gigabit Ethernet ports for cable connections and a USB port that can connect a mini media server if you want. The Archer S7 also includes Alexa support if you want to give voice commands. Parental controls, guest access options, and other options are built into the settings for easy control, too. We highly recommend as long as you have the money for it. Your search for the best cheap routers for gaming and heavy-use Wi-Fi ends with the TP-Link Archer A7. You get this router at a great price, but it also comes with the most amazing features. At number 4. Netgear Nighthawk racks. It's fully featured with Wi-Fi 6E support, priced competitively, and provides great speeds. People wanting the best new router for their homes. Announced in early 2022 at CES, Netgear is looking to bring the latest Wi-Fi 6E technology into more homes with its Nighthawk Racks router, which sports the same futuristic wing-shaped antenna design as the company's more premium Nighthawk 500 ER500 offering. Designed for robust connectivity, the Nighthawk racks can handle speeds up to 7.8 gigabits per second and cover homes as large as 2,500 square feet. Thanks to a new 6 GHz band, the router can efficiently handle traffic, reduce congestion, and minimize latency, which will be great for lag-free game streams, buffer-free 4 Kelvin and 8 Kelvin video streaming, and uninterrupted sessions of video conferencing. Netgear boasts that its wing-shaped antenna design helps to cover your home with a reliable Wi-Fi signal while not being as aggressive as competing routers. Those in larger homes can also pick up one of Netgear's extenders to create a whole home mesh networking solution. Like other members of the Nighthawk family, the Nighthawk 300 racks can be controlled via an app, and optional subscription plans bring greater control and security for those who need it. I highly recommend this laptop. It is super fast with great features and a great price. At number 5. Netgear Nighthawk Pro Gaming 1000 Sri Lanka Rupees. It prioritizes game services and game data for the best results. Gamers and anyone who wants the fastest network possible. The new Netgear Nighthawk Pro 1000 Sri Lanka Rupees replaces its earlier 500 Sri Lanka Rupees model on our list as the best router for every gamer. The 1000 Sri Lanka Rupees comes equipped with the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, which is designed to help reduce latency and improve connection speeds. Netgear boasts that ping could be reduced by as much as 93% and 40% faster speeds with the Nighthawk Pro Gaming 1000 Sri Lanka Rupees. The Nighthawk Pro 1000 comes with a dual-band antenna, beamforming support, geofencing to connect to closer servers, and application cost support to give bandwidth priority to game streams, VoIP calls, and other types of media streaming. There are plenty of added software features packed into the Nighthawk app, too. Finally, we highly recommend this product. It's perfect for those who are looking for a new way to grocery shop and save money. At number 6. Eero Pro 6C, best affordable Wi-Fi 6E mesh network. Mesh routers help blanket your home with reliable Wi-Fi coverage, and Eero's top-of-the-line model delivers all this in a simple, easy-to-use solution. The Pro 6C is the latest model to join Eero's mesh family of routers, and it's by far the company's best effort in the space, retaining the familiar and minimalist design of Eero's prior mesh routers as well as the line's simple-to-set-up and easy-to-use app interface. The Eero Pro 6C adds support for Wi-Fi 6E, which opens the doors to multi-gigabit support over wired and wireless connections. While Eero isn't the first to Wi-Fi 6E support, rivals Linksys Atlas Max 6E and Netgear's Orbi KE963 had beat it to the punch with mesh systems that promise more powerful coverage. Eero strikes a good balance between performance, features, and affordability, making it a great contender in the space for families looking to add Wi-Fi 6E to their network. In our Eero Pro 6C review, we found that it delivers strong coverage with limited degradation to speeds or any noticeable increase in latency across a large space. And the company claimed that a setup with 2 additional nodes can blanket a home as large as 6,000 square feet. You can also add even more nodes to amplify your Wi-Fi signal across even larger spaces. In fact, that capability has gotten much more interesting thanks to the newest Amazon Echo Dot, which can serve as both an Alex speaker and an Eero satellite to expand your coverage. Finally, we highly recommend this product. It's perfect for those who are looking for a new way to grocery shop and save money. At number 7. TP-Link Archer AX86U. It offers Wi-Fi 6 connectivity without compromising performance. The Archer AX86U is an excellent dual-band Wi-Fi 6 router dishing out speeds of up to 4,804 megabytes per second on the 5 GHz band and up to 1,148 megabytes per second on the 2.4 GHz band. It's compatible with important new technologies like OFDMA and UMIMO and provides a USB-C port for charging and high-speed data transfers. There are also 9 gigabit Ethernet ports for many wired connections if you prefer even more reliability. The router includes proprietary technology as well, like software that moves devices between bands if one band gets too crowded. There's Alexa compatibility, too, so you can perform basic network management actions with voice commands. Many router manufacturers already offer Wi-Fi 6 models, but the TP-Link Archer AX86U is particularly versatile. It's a great fit for home offices or small businesses, or for anyone who has a lot of wireless devices and wants them all performing at the top of their game. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Here we are with the medal and the title of the runner-up Best Wi-Fi Router available on the market in 2023. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.